So you steer them in the right direction at least.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That's awesome. Awesome. Great. Great. Um, I learned something in the last month. All these people, well, not now because no one's refinancing, but well, some people are refinancing. But if you refinance, or if you get a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit, they do an appraisal on your house to determine how much you can get.
Yep.
When they get that appraisal, they just realize from the time they bought it, they've gained $100,000 in equity or $80,000 in equity. So
Right.
they bought the house at 350, and they realize, oh my God, this appraisal just said that my house is now worth 450. But
That's what happened to that girl the other day.
their
They never
replacement
raised
cost
her
doesn't
coverage.
cover 450.
So here's the trick with that.
Okay.
A lot of the companies, and even my old predecessor, had something called inflation guard.
Mm-hmm.
That's when people get, oh, my rate went up so high this year. Yeah, your rate went up, but also the dwelling coverage goes up. So each year, usually at most companies that have that, the
Right.
dwelling coverage will go up each
Good
year.
stuff.
So the coverage goes up.